tons of wonderful things going on, from evergreen perennials to things in flower in the winter. It's really a remarkable time, and it's so great for insects. If we get a day that it's 50 degrees, you will see honeybees out in the wintertime. It's really quite extraordinary, and I think it's very eye-opening. We plant every week of the year. There's not a week in our area of North Carolina that you can't plant. As long as the ground isn't froze, put stuff in the ground. I'm Tony Avent from Juniper Level Botanic Gardens. We'd love to invite you to join us for our winter open house coming up the last weekend in February, first weekend in March. And we can show you a lot of plants you've never seen before, a lot of things that look great in the wintertime, including a lot of things in flower in winter, and answer all your gardening questions. We hope you'll come see us.